Welcome back to AutoSuv. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about electric vehicles in the world right now, the car many are calling the Tesla Model 2. It's the affordable Tesla fans have been waiting years for, and if the reports are accurate, it could reshape the EV market. If you've ever wanted a Tesla but felt the price was out of reach, this might finally be the car for you. Elon Musk has talked about a truly affordable Tesla for almost a decade. At various points the company floated a $25,000 EV, only to reportedly shelve those plans. What's emerged instead is a two-track strategy, a stripped-down, lower-cost trim of the existing Model Y, and a genuinely new, smaller platform, often called the Model 2, or in some circles the Model Q. Neither name is officially confirmed by Tesla, but the direction is clear. The company wants a true entry point that competes with affordable EVs from Hyundai, Chevrolet, and a wave of Chinese manufacturers. Expect Tesla's familiar minimalist, aerodynamic look, but in a smaller, city-friendly package, compact, lightweight, and efficient for tight urban streets. Picture a grille-less front end, slim LED lighting, clean body lines, and a sporty stance. Reports suggest it will use Tesla's new, unboxed, manufacturing process, originally developed for the robotaxi, which is central to hitting a lower price without sacrificing build quality. Inside, expect Tesla's usual simplicity, a central touchscreen controlling most functions, very few physical buttons, and a clean cabin that feels more premium than the price suggests. Front seat comfort should be solid, though rear space will likely be tighter given the compact size. The Model 2 should share Tesla's core software ecosystem, a fast central display, continuous over-the-air updates, built-in navigation, streaming, and smartphone integration. On performance, don't expect it to feel slow, electric motors deliver instant torque, and even entry-level Teslas have historically felt quick. Expect a single-motor rear-wheel drive base model, with a dual-motor all-wheel drive option for buyers wanting more traction and punch, especially in city driving. Tesla has been shifting toward LFP battery chemistry, more cost-effective and thermally stable, and well-suited to a mass-market car. The Model 2 won't match pricier Tesla's range, but should comfortably cover daily driving. Charging remains a major advantage, thanks to access to Tesla's supercharger network for quick top-ups on trips and easy overnight charging at home. On safety, expect a full suite of driver assistance features, collision avoidance, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control, with autopilot likely available and improving over time through software updates. Here's the exciting part: price. Tesla's lineup currently starts in the mid-$30,000 range, even for the entry-level Model 3. A genuinely more affordable model, even priced in the high 20s or low 30s before incentives, would be Tesla's most accessible vehicle yet, opening the brand to buyers who've been priced out until now. That kind of move wouldn't just help Tesla, it could pressure the entire industry to speed up its own affordable EV plans. Smaller, efficient cars already dominate markets like Europe and parts of Asia, where demand for affordable EVs is growing fast. A compact, budget-friendly Tesla could do especially well there, and it's likely to attract younger, first-time EV buyers who want Tesla's tech and design without the usual premium price tag. It could also help Tesla push back against a fast-growing wave of low-cost Chinese EVs that have been undercutting Western automakers on price while still offering solid range and features. Tesla won't have this segment to itself. Rivals like the Chevrolet Equinox EV and the Hyundai Ioniq 5 already start in the mid-$30,000 range with strong range figures of their own. What could set the Model 2 apart isn't just price, it's the software experience, the supercharger network, and Tesla's continued push toward more advanced driver assistance features. If Tesla can match its rivals on price while keeping its tech advantage, it could immediately become the default choice for budget-minded EV shoppers. Put it all together, and the Tesla Model 2 could be one of the most important vehicles in Tesla's roadmap, not the fastest or most luxurious, but potentially the most accessible. It blends affordability, proven technology, and Tesla's charging advantage into a package built to bring EVs to millions of new buyers. If Tesla delivers, this could become one of the best-selling EVs in the world. That's our deep dive into the Tesla Model 2. Let us know in the comments, would you consider buying an affordable Tesla like this? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to AutoSuv for more of the latest car reviews, industry updates, and automotive content.